This thing is normally $500, and you got it for like $350.
That's way better. What a steal!
Are you already streaming?
Yeah, I just started. Put what down? I'm fixing it. Fix Facts, you're here. You're here to help, just like me. As soon as Steven needs my help with this computer, I'm on it. As soon as he gives me the go-ahead. But yeah, we're building a new computer.
This
That
thing has
hopefully...
like every port. Has DVI, DVI-D, mini display port, mini HDMI, display port, HDMI, USB-C, D-sub, VGA.
That's
HDMI.
a lot of the alphabet. Every letter. Oh yeah, I wanted to hook this speaker up so that Steven could hear what I'm hearing. You need to cut anything big.
Oh yeah!
Oh wait, this is female. This doesn't work for me at all.
Get a load of these directions. PSU installation. Place the power supply in the proper location and secure it. That's it.
Secure it with what?
I don't know.
Just emotionally.
What kind of computer did you get?
I think this is a Linux computer from what I understand.
Of course.
I don't know. What are the kinds of computers? What do you mean? It's supposed to play old school RuneScape without lagging, I think. Smash? All right. He said the word, but he wasn't Steven. You didn't meet all the requirements. There's gotta be a male around here somewhere. There's in the headphones.
I was thinking like the Alienware stuff that I sent you. Like maybe you bought one of those.
Oh. No. You know, I had to source my closest friend, my most knowledgeable friend, and I've learned nothing. That's how, if you couldn't tell. Are you both wearing full black? What do you mean?
Of course.
It's enough out of me.
Is Steven your roommate?
Steven is my roommate. See, now you can hear the cheers and stuff. That's lit. Yes, we're roommates. Steven's smile supplies my power. Lo-fi chill beats to freak the fuck out and build a computer to. Just like Mama used to make. I'm sorry, Mama. Why do you both look alike? Am I just crazy? It's just because we're both blonde and having the most fun possible.
Look at this amalgamation, of course.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how blind are you?
Quite. Probably like, if 10 is like you can't drive anymore, I'd probably like a 7 or an 8. What is that, power supply? That's too big. It's too scary.
Yeah.
Computers are scary. Steven's actually building a car. Listen to this baby purr. Is it cuttable?
You don't need to do that.
What?
You don't need any reason to use that fucking thing.
Fucking give him a snip.
I'm pretty sure that would never come in handy for any job.
What if you had a big ribbon?
Yes.
Lonnie seems super useful here.
Well, he is. He supplied all the parts.
True. And if anything needs cutting, I'm ready and willing.
Holy fuck.
What the hell is that?
This is all the cords that's got to go to every little piece of your computer and power it.
What is the fun part of this? Sickos?
When you're done.
Where did you even get those scissors?
The scissors store, what do you mean? It does feel like an awkwardly a guitar size.
This is the bad part about not having a fully modular one. You can't unplug the cords from the PSU itself. But it's fine, it's just more annoying to install. And uninstall if you ever have to do that.
Nope, it's broken. Throw it away.
Not the
build it for you.
modular systems. I feel like you got them at like Hobby Lobby.
Oh, the scissors. Like what, are you roasting the computer already? No, it was just on Amazon. But I'm sure they have them at the scissor store. You didn't even look, I bet.
I'd let you give me a haircut with those.
Oh my god. That would be so funny. Loomis.
Yeah, if you ever want to just cut all of your hair in one snap. One snip.
He's wasted. He said it's the only way he can build.
What are you playing?
Hungry Shark.
Imagine gaming before the gaming PC's
How are you
built.
smile?
It's pretty good. It's like Slitherio, but way worse in the game's last 2 seconds.
Steven, you got all your question marks?
What?
Oh, your question mark?
Oh, I'd rather have this space.
Looks like the inside of a toaster. I'd stick my fork in here. What does it smell like? Micro Center. Bunch of talkative nerds in there. Quite the spectacle. I've never been in a store where people wanted to talk to the people who work there so much. That's just not a thing. Usually Hollister has to be the one to verbally assault you, not the other way around.
Lonnie, how many months sober are you? And B, did you ever go to AEA meetings?
No, I never went to any meetings, at least not yet. I'll be 8 months on the 18th, which is tomorrow. What specs? I have no idea. Alright, I finally got the chats open. My brain might need a RAM upgrade as well. From what I understand, every part of this is better than the computer I'm using right now.
Oh, yeah.
So,
By miles.
which makes sense, because I got this computer in like 2015.
Are you smashing old PC?
No. I'm just being threatening. Keeping the energy spicy. What up, Game Master? Hell yeah, I recently hit 2 months of nail biting? Hell yeah.
Why hammer?
Just in case we need it.
What is Steven's favorite tool?
What?
What's your favorite tool? Like Stanley?
What the fuck kind of question is this?
Turns out I'm not moving across the country. Instead, me and my fiance are buying a van to live in for a few years and go traveling smile.
That sounds lit. Good luck on your travels. Be safe.
Steven, smash or pass? Shrek.
Big pass.
You don't want to peel back those layers?
What the hell? Is this what it's like for you streaming every day, or?
It hits different when you're here. Steven isn't any fun. He would never fuck Shrek.
Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper.
Oh my god. Does it just read everything, or what?
Yeah, it reads all the cheers. It didn't read Chris's.
Really?
He said, "We speak with our wallets, bitch." Are you married? I am not. Married to the game, baby. Whichever game I'm playing at the time, that is. Which is going to be a lot more games now. At least, it'll be a lot more frames of them. Frames? Yo, PC, what up? Bun snacks? In the chat. It's alright to be a litty bitty. As that's what I've always heard. He's married to me.
You're gonna make the most off of this stream, all BC of Steven.
What?
Among Us?
Among Us?
Who said that?
Chris.
I knew it.
How are you, Steven Smile?
I'm pretty good.
He's pretty good. We had some tacos. It's pretty lit. Donovan's out of town. No parents at home. Might fuck around and frick around and buy a computer.
Steven looks like he's been lifting weights.
Who said that? God damn.
How are you guys mentally and physically? Physically, probably maxed out, just about. I'm overclocking my body.
The speaker.
What? Oh,
It beeps when your computer is starting up and shit.
interesting. Little doodad in there.
That's all the shit that you gotta look at the manual to figure out where the hell to even install it.
It's like the most complicated bionicle.
That's really nice of them to include the screws to install things.
I thought Lonnie was 47.
You still drink coffee with Steven? Of course. Just at somewhat reasonable hours, like 3 p.m.
With Steven's bright smile, you have great lighting today.
I'm going home. This is too much.
Stop perceiving him.
Not that other days are not great.
I'm uncomfortable. I'm scared. I fear for my life.
Steven has a nice smile. Sorry if that weird long.
Who's saying this?
Well, first it was Chris, then it was Nova Bunny. And now it's me, baby. Your smile's beautiful.
How can you see my smile?
I don't know.
See, I told you LMAO. Yay, his cheeks like just make a big circle when he smiles.
What point does this become cruel?
Excuse me?
Steven, are you wholesome or freaky?
Excuse me?
Steven's mad freaky.
I'm what? Mad freaky? Am I being attacked?
Stop aggressively complimenting my friend.
Are they compliments? I don't even understand.
Wholesome, I hope.
I'd say he's more on the wholesome side of the spectrum, but that's just speculation.
What's the other option?
Freaky.
Freaky?
I'm losing my shit. Steven seems like a really smart guy.
He's a genius. He has a degree.
Lonnie, do you know Brody you can?
Brody, you can? Brody, you can shove that dick down my throat anytime, Chris. Is that who you're talking about? Brody, you can certainly shove that dingling right where you go.
At least you can now play Mind Goblin.
I hate you.
What do you mean?
You're not getting me with that one.
Is this Linus Tech Tips?
Yeah, welcome back to Linus Top 10 Tech Tips.
Nope.
Today we're gonna build a computer using only computer parts. Today I'm gonna show you my Linus Tech Tip.
Never say the words show and tech tip in the Simpsons. Or show and tip. My tip's really technical, Lonnie.
Technically speaking. What are you doing? You doing loaf mode?
Who's there?
I bet Steven's nice with his hands.
What the
I did not hear what you just said. Nice with his hands? Close up on the leg.
Send it.
Jesus Christ. Close up on the leg getting me going. Austin, you dirty dog, aren't you married? Farley, you're a great decoration, honestly. You don't move much.
That wasn't me.
I'm gonna bet you until you leave.
Lucas, why are you preying on my downfall?
It's only it's already 8 o'clock.
Yeah, what the hell?
This is gonna be what we do for the rest of the night.
Steven smash or pass. Bella Delphi.
Big pass, big pass.
I'm newly 28. I'm now starting my early, late, mid-20s.
You can't get in that box, dude.
I don't doubt your ability to.
Well, you could, but you shouldn't.
You shouldn't, though.
Alright.
Goodbye.
So that's where the power supply will be, or I mean, CPU. Lewis, I fear you. I greatly fear you.
Bazinga.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. What is this? Tough Gaming X570 series, the DVD.
It's gonna have drivers on it. Hopefully we don't need it for now, because you should be able to just get the drivers off the internet too. But we did not get a disk drive, so hopefully.
Just take it out of this computer. I think I'm gonna hop off for now. We'll get this thing built, and the next time I see you, it'll be on a new computer, which will be pretty cool. And play some games. Thank you guys for hanging out, and thank you for all your cheers. I appreciate it, even if you're my friend in real life. If you're watching this as a YouTube video later, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new, helps me out a lot. I always appreciate it. If you want to watch something else, there's some other videos I made recently around my head. Click on one of those next. Drop a follow on Twitch if you have it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Peace.